This is Mr. Choco Waco on Moto All-Stars, and today we're going to be unboxing the Animated Blues Santa. It just got to my house today, and I just got home from school. I'm getting over a sore throat, as you can tell. So let's get into it. Oh, dang, dude. Santa. Very dusty, his head is loose. Oh. Probably locked up motor. See how the battery contacts are. I'm thinking it's just corroded. I'm gonna cut the camera. Yeah, I just got the battery covers off and very corroded right there. Doesn't look too bad over here. So I'm gonna clean that off and put batteries and test them out. I'm not sure if a wire just came off, but yeah, so he's definitely not gonna raise his arms. Hopefully he'll hip swing at least. I freaking swear, dude, he's fried. Got the old battery contact out. I'll get fresh battery contacts from this old Snow Miser base. Okay, so I replaced the battery contacts, and now I gotta get this piece, and it's hard to do this with one hand. That's awesome, man. Okay, I got them all back together. Oh, interesting. I guess I'm gonna start working on him. So all I needed was 2 new belts. None of the gears are split, which is actually surprising. Hello, this is Mr. Choco Waco on Moto All-Stars, and today we're going to be reviewing the Gemmy 2000 or 2001 Animated Blues Saxophone Santa. This is the rare variant of the Saxophone Santa. As you see, it's based off of the Blues Brothers. You go ahead and look that up. I did, and I found out what it was. And so when I just got this guy today, just came home, and none of his gears were split, surprisingly. Only both his belts were really bad. I went ahead and replaced this piece because, like, the holders were snapped off on both sides. Replaced with an old snow miser's piece. And also, one of his battery contacts were very corroded, so I replaced that with another snow miser one that I scrapped for parts. Again, I'm not sure what else to say, but he is pretty dirty. He's a bit dirty on in person, but I'll just clean him off. But yeah, I had to get a lint roller and clean him off. And now we'll go into the demo. The bun's a bit bad.